Today's topic is civil responsibility, causes of HIV or AIDS, and role of youth. Cadet Sneha KS, NCC, St. Joseph's College, Autonomous. Civil responsibility. Civil Defense Service. At a local level, the various existing agencies will be responsible for organizing suitable CD services on the subject entrusted to the agency in normal times. Various civil defense services are Headquarters Service, Warden Service, Firefighting Service, Casualty Service, Communication Service, Training Service, etc. Working of all the above noted services will be coordinated by the Headquarters Service, working under the direct control of CD Controller. NCC can help the civil defense by helping them in welfare services and message services. Next one, causes of HIV or AIDS and role of youth. Few diseases have been faced as much as HIV or AIDS has been ever since human beings began effort to prevent and control major diseases. What is HIV or AIDS? Although HIV and AIDS are often used synonymously, they are different. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that gradually destroys the body's immune system. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is a condition wherein various diseases affect the body because of the body's weak natural defense mechanism. HIV destroys T cells. How does HIV or AIDS spread? HIV is present in all body fluids. First one is sexual transmission, blood transmission, sharing needles, mother to child. Sexual transmission. The most common route of spread of HIV infection is through unprotected sex between two people. Increased risk for women. Women are at greater risk of developing HIV infection. Sexually transmitted infection. Presence of STIs increases the risk of HIV transmission. Anal sex, menstruation, blood transmission, intravenous injections, mother to child, skin, oral route. These are the other spreading ways. How is HIV diagnosed? HIV is normally diagnosed through blood tests that detect antibodies to HIV. Although many private laboratories conduct HIV tests. Prevention of HIV or AIDS. HIV or AIDS can be prevented in four main ways. Being in a mutually faithful sexual relationship. Checking all the blood and the blood products for HIV infection before transfusion. Avoiding drug abuse. Reducing the risk of mother to child. Condom use. Preventing parent to child transmission. NACO has to set up prevention of parent to child transmission PPTCT centers in all districts in 6 states where HIV infection is high and in several other hospitals in other states. Symptoms of HIV. Most people infected with HIV are not likely to have any symptoms for about 10 years. Tuberculosis. Since tuberculosis is already one of the major health problems in India, people with HIV infection are at higher risk of getting it. Very often, tuberculosis affects the lungs. Role of youth in preventing HIV. HIV is more common in the most productive age group of 15 to 14 years and therefore causes major impact on the economic status of affected individual, family, community and the nation at large. Youth should educate general public and spreading the information that HIV can be transmitted by following notes. Shaking hands, shaking of clothes, sharing of food and utensils, sharing of toilets, insect, hugging or kissing, etc. Conclusion: HIV can be transmitted from person to person only if the body fluids like blood, semen, and vaginal fluids come in contact with the body fluids of an HIV infected or AIDS patient. Young people with or without HIV or AIDS have an important role to play in actively contending discrimination against young people living with HIV or AIDS. We require to provide a platform for people living with HIV or AIDS so that we work together according to their intersect. We also need to mobilize support of local authorities and community leaders to listen to people living with HIV or AIDS and to combat activity against their discrimination and exclusion. Setting up training programs to improve the integration of young people suffering from HIV or AIDS into society is the need of the hour. Thank you.